game. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I didn't get a chance to show you my AliExpress haul the other day. I only managed to get through all the Amazon stuff. So I'm just going to show you quickly my AliExpress. There's stuff in here from Shein and Temu, I think. I'm not sure. Right, this first item, quickly actually, is off Amazon. And it is mini Swatch rings. I think I'm going to put all my yellows on one, reds on one, greens on one. Have I got one handy to show you? Yes, I have. This is one of the glitter collections that I got from Colours World a couple of weeks ago. And look, they're perfect to just hold them, aren't they? They are just miniature versions of the big Swatch sticks that we get. They open the same, they close the same. Aren't they cute? I love them. And yeah, because I've never got enough rings, and for little things like this that I want to keep separate, I think they are perfect. I'm really impressed with them. You could use these for key rings, you could use them for your ring binder sleeves. I think they are just a little handy dandy, one of them little handy dandy items, aren't they? So I thought I'd show you them quickly. Right, on to AliExpress. I am so excited for this. So these are the stampers that Moira do that change the size of your image, because a lot of I don't know about you lot, but a lot of the stamping plates I have got, the images are just too small and I want them bigger. And these little clever little stampers are designed to so the stamper head is quite flat, so you pick your image up as normal, and when you turn this, the stamper goes more rounded, so it stretches that image and makes it bigger. So once you pick your image up, you turn this mechanism to make that go more domed, and it makes your image bigger, so you can have that image bigger on your nail. Or if you want to make the image smaller, you keep it domed like this, pick up your image and then unscrew it to make the jelly head go flat, and same thing, but it then shrinks the image. So you can have small, medium and large images. So you can have the images that you pick up, or you can have them one size smaller and one size bigger, or any size in between. Aren't they clever? I do need to do a video using them. I got this pink one, but because you can't see through it, I thought I'll order a clear one. But you can't really see through the clear one either. Not enough to see what I'm doing. I can see through it a tiny bit. I would really have to concentrate, and can you see? You can see through it a tiny bit, but not much. So there really was no difference in me getting the clear or the pink. So you would have to kind of look from the side where you're stamping it, maybe like that. You'd have to look where you're stamping it, but I'm really excited to try these. I'm not going to have time in this video. It's just a haul video, but I will definitely try them. There's a brand called Moira. If you search up Moira, they've got tutorials on how they use theirs. They've got one, they call it Supersizer Stamper or something. So if you search Moira Supersizer Stamper, you'll find tutorials and stuff on how they work. But I will do something with them in another video. Just haven't got time today. Right, what else have I got? This was off Temu. And I'm over the moon with this. It's a double, and it was so cheap. It was the same price as the single ones I get off AliExpress. So I buy these folders to put my stickers in. They're just double-sided sheets, so you can put a sticker in the front and a sticker sheet in the back. But normally off AliExpress they're about £2. You get just this amount. I don't even think you get that amount. But this one, look, is double. There's 100 pages in here, so that means you can fit 200 stickers, one on each side, 2 on each page. So I'm really happy with that. I'm going to get some more. It's huge, so I'm really happy with that, and it was really cheap. But it took me a while to get it, because every time I went to buy it, it was out of stock. So if you see it and it's in stock, grab it, because they don't stay in stock for very long. So that was a good find. I'm happy with that folder. I'll try and stick to Shein to start with. These were off Shein. I love these brushes. Firstly, I love them because they've all got lids. And secondly, I love them. I can see exactly what they are without having to take all the lids off, because they've all got it written there. They've all got it written what they are, so I don't have to keep pulling all the lids off to find out what they are. Right, so it starts from 25mm. So this is a long liner. It's a bit bent, I'll have to fix that. But they've got that metal ferrule on the end, can you see? Love that. Look how long that is. 25mm. It's really long and thin. If you ever get a brush, guys, as well, that turns up and it's a bit bent like this, run it under a hot tap and just keep massaging it and pulling it like that, and you will get it straight. 25mm, I can't believe that. And then we've got another one. This one's 20mm. Even that is long enough, isn't it? Look at this. I love the look of these, and they just feel such good quality. These were £5.95, guys. And then the next size down is 12mm. £5.95 for this full set. Look at these. And they've got them in all different colours. And then this one's 8mm. Little detail. Skinny, skinny, teeny, tiny. These are going to be so nice for nail art. And lastly, this is 4mm. Guys, look at the size of this little thing. 4mm. It is teeny, teeny, tiny. So I love them. I have got a confession to make though. I did already buy these off Amazon. Exactly the same brushes, exactly the same, except they haven't got written on them what they are. I mean, I could have wrote them on by myself, but for those of you that don't like shopping on Shein and stuff, they are available on Amazon. I'll put them in my Amazon store, and they came in this little tube off Amazon. But at least I've got a spare set, haven't I? So yeah, I love them. Right, I'm going to try and stick with Shein. I think most of this is Shein anyway. These were off Shein, these were off Shein. Right, these were all off Shein, so let's stick with Shein. So it's not an AliExpress haul after all, guys. It's just them were off AliExpress today. So I got my SS3s, my SS5s and SS6. They didn't have any SS4. These are just clear, transparent rhinestones. I use these so much. I get through them so fast, the smaller ones. So yeah, I grabbed a couple of packs of them, and they're really sparkly. They're nice, dirt cheap. I think they're 99p a pack, and you get 1,440 in each one. Yeah, I think they were 99p. Right, I got some charms, rhinestoney, nail art embellishments, whatever you call them. So this is a pack of 10. Getting messages from Temu. So yeah, this was a pack of stars. Pack of 10. And they're stars, but they look like they've just been dipped in metal chrome, don't they? Look. They're like dimply stars, and they just look like they've been dipped in chrome. Aren't they cool? Love them. That was a pack of 10 off Shein. And then I got these off Shein. These are like 4-pointed stars, but they're little clusters. They're just 4-pointed stars. There's like a big one in the middle with a pink rhinestone, and then it's got a small one attached to it with a pink rhinestone, and there's an even smaller one there. Aren't they cute? And they're curved on the back, so they're going to sit nice and relatively flat on your nail. I'm so sorry my camera won't focus. Yeah, they're going to sit relatively flat on your nail, aren't they? Oh, bugger off. They're cute. Love them. And then I got these. These are stunning as well. Again, these were a pack of 10. Look at these. So these are like crosses. Are these curved? Yeah, these are slightly curved as well. Look at that rhinestone. It's not a rhinestone, it's a cabochon. It's got no facets. Aren't they cool? They've almost got that cat eye kind of look to them, haven't they? They're nice. They're different. I like them a lot. I would have liked them in different colours, but I couldn't find them in any other colours. So yeah, they were all off Shein. I got these off Shein, and they are just, let me show you, teeny tiny little studs. These would be good for punk, gothic type things, and they're just, can you see, we've got the gold in the small, medium and large, and these are like really dark gunmetal grey. Look at these teeny tiny ones. They're just pointed studs, aren't they? I mean, you don't get a lot. Not really. I think there's more of the small ones than there is the big ones, isn't there? But again, I think they were just £1 something. Really, really cheap. I don't have any of them at all. Right, what else did I get? Right, I got these off Shein. I have got something in mind to do with these. Something really cute. These are just teeny, 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 tiny little hinges. Little door hinges, like for crafts and dolls' houses. Can you see? Teeny, tiny little hinges. I've got something in mind to do with them, so keep an eye out for that. How cute are they? Oh my gosh, teeny tiny little hinges. Right, these were off AliExpress. That's gold striping tape. That was a free gift. So I got a pack of these. I've got these in gold and silver. I seen them in pink and I had to get them. These are your star sign things, look. Sagittarius, Cancer, Taurus, Leo. They're all in there. Libra. Yeah, they're just your star sign. They're made out of metal. Never seen them in pink. And lastly, off AliExpress, I love these. Love, love, love these. So let me show you what comes in it. This is a pack of 50. Right, guys, this is what you get in this pack. I've had to tip them all out to show you one of each. So it's a pack. You can get these in packs of silver or gold, or you can get a mixed pack. I got a mixed pack, and you get a gold, and you get a mixture of the gold and the silver Louis Vuitton, the gold and the silver YSL. It comes with these teeny tiny little pointy hearts, teddy bears, and then you get these little Louis Vuitton teeny tiny little symbols. Can you see? Aren't they a cute little mix? Really, really cute little mix. I love them. So yeah, that's the only items that were off AliExpress today. Everything else was off Shein and Amazon, wasn't it? Oh no, my stampers were off AliExpress. Everything else was Shein, apart from my little Swatch rings. Love them. Oh, and the brushes that I showed you, they were off Amazon. I'm sure there was something else, I can't remember. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. I can finally get everything put away. So much stuff to organise and put away. I think I'm going to do a few videos where I'm organising my stuff, show you where I keep everything, where yeah, give you a nosy in my drawers, so to speak. But yeah, anyway, guys, that is it for today. I will leave links to everything in my description box. If there's anything missing, let me know and I'll find it for you. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.